Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of drone technology as exciting whispers about the DJI Air 3S continue to circulate. This potential successor to the popular Air 3 could redefine aerial photography and videography, promising to elevate your creative horizons. Let's unravel the tapestry of rumors, speculations, and potential features that have the drone community buzzing with anticipation. One of the most tantalizing rumors surrounding the Air 3S is the inclusion of a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. This significant upgrade is poised to revolutionize low-light performance, delivering sharper, more detailed images with an expanded dynamic range. While the Air 3 boasts a dual-camera system, some enthusiasts believe the actual resolution might fall short. The Air 3S aims to rectify this with a true 48-megapixel camera, ensuring image quality that leaves no room for doubt. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots even in challenging lighting conditions. The larger sensor promises to be a game-changer for capturing stunning sunsets, cityscapes, and low-light adventures. The potential for enhanced color accuracy and reduced noise is truly exciting for photography enthusiasts. But the magic doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest the Air 3S will introduce a dedicated vertical shooting mode, a feature sorely missing in its predecessor and highly coveted by social media content creators. Furthermore, the Air 3S is expected to build upon its predecessor's foundation with an even more powerful processor. This technological leap could translate to faster image processing, smoother video recording, and advanced intelligent flight modes. Expect to witness improved obstacle avoidance, subject tracking, and autonomous flight capabilities, taking your aerial adventures to new heights. Video enthusiasts will hear about the potential for 5.4K video recording at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS. This leap in video resolution and frame rate will allow you to capture mind-blowing footage with incredible detail and smoothness. Additionally, rumors hint at enhanced image stabilization and low-light performance, ensuring your videos look their absolute best. Battery life is a crucial aspect for any drone enthusiast, and the Air 3S is expected to deliver in this department. Building upon the already impressive flight times of the Air 3, advancements in battery technology could allow the Air 3S to soar for even longer durations. Imagine capturing extended aerial footage without the constant worry of running out of battery. This extended flight time will undoubtedly empower you to explore new horizons and capture more breathtaking moments. While the Air 3S's controller remains shrouded in mystery, speculation suggests it might retain the familiar and compact RCN1 model or potentially adopt the more advanced RC2 controller with a built-in display. A smaller controller version is also a possibility, but concrete details are scarce at this point. The pricing of the Air 3S is another topic of interest. While the Air 3 was positioned at a premium price point, rumors suggest DJI might introduce the Air 3S at a more competitive price, potentially aligning it with the pricing of the Air 2S. This could make the Air 3S a more accessible option for a wider range of drone enthusiasts. As for the release date, DJI has kept its cards close to its chest. Considering the typical release pattern of DJI drones and the steady stream of leaks, we can speculate that the Air 3S might make its debut around July 2024, following in the footsteps of its predecessor. While these are all based on rumors and speculations, the potential of the DJI Air 3S is undeniably exciting. The combination of a larger sensor, improved camera capabilities, extended battery life, and advanced features could redefine the drone landscape. We eagerly await official confirmation from DJI to unveil the full potential of the Air 3S. What are your thoughts on the potential features of the DJI Air 3S? Share your predictions and hopes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting drone content and technology updates. Thank you for watching, and until next time.